Cousin Chase checking it out. Is it Moke? You love puppies, Moke? Oh, you little squealy wigs. Being a brave girl coming out. You can't really see because she's black. Oh, there's a nice butthole. Hannah's very excited. Coco loves it. She's doing really well. Hannah loves it. We're all dominating her. Let me turn the light on. Hi, Boo. Hi, sweet Boo. Coco loves it. Hi, girl. See? Yeah, you have just as many brothers as you had before. Well, no, I mean sisters. You have more sisters, but just as many litter mates. You can go in there if you want.